Install printer tray. Install the barrel bracket and tighten the screws on both sides. Clamp both ends of the connecting shaft into the positioning grooves. Loading. The ink needs to be shaken well before loading to prevent ink precipitation. Drawing. Insert the needle into the ink sac and fill the ink sac with ink. Plug in the network cable and power on the machine. Press the paper feed key and adjust the paper advancing direction while feeding the paper so that it does not shift to both sides. Shape pattern of an all-in-one machine. Install the fan support and tighten the screws on both sides. Install automatic receiving rack. Tighten the screws on both sides. Insert the power cables of the fan and the receiving rack. Pour the hot melt powder into the scraping box. Press the cleaning button to clean the print head. The light flashes to indicate that cleaning is in progress. The light stops flashing to indicate the cleaning is completed. Install the printer driver and open the resetter.exe program according to the video. Tutorial to reset the printer parameters to 0. Ink settings. Color dot size is set according to the print image size of white dot size, set to large. Open the Accurate 9.03 software and set the printer to still photo 1390-1440. Set the connection port to USB port. Epson stylus photo 1390. White resolution is set to 1441 for 40 dpi color resolution. Set to 1440x1440 dpi. Open the printer driver. Print speed setting bidirectional click nozzle check. And then start printing test strips. Check the status of the nozzle with test strip. If there is no disconnection, you can print. Print page, click on File, load PS image, adjust image size, click on File. Print, check color first, then white, check color plus white 90 nozzles, start printing. Start printing. Start shaking powder bake. Turn on the drum switch and roll up the hot film. Cut out the printed hot film and place it on the sample. After the heat pressing is completed, pull out the heating plate and wait until the temperature drops before tearing off the film. The lower the temperature, the better the separation.